Hi, in this video we're going to explain how you should take the measurements when it comes to a single piece clip-on hair extensions. So for this you need a measuring tape. Usually we measure in inches and not centimeters. So you need a measuring tape, something like this. So usually for the one piece back hair extensions, we do not start the extensions from this area because this is the occipital bone and we do not fix any extensions in this area. Also, we do not start from top area because this may get uncomfortable if we fix any of the hair extensions. So just in case if you want to measure it, you should start measuring from this point, leaving 3 fingers from the top of the head, and then start measuring the length. Your 16 inch would reach here, your 18 inches would reach here, 20 inches here, and 22 inches will give you this long hair. Keep in mind that if your hair is wavy, usually when we measure it according to straight hair. If you have wavy hair, then probably you need to order your hair a little longer, because once you curl the hair or tong the hair will go a little shorter. So in such cases, you can probably order a slightly longer one. And just in case we plan to grow your hair, we always suggest that to order probably 2 inches longer, so that once your hair grows out, the extensions don't look short. So keep in mind when you're measuring it and placing the order. Thank you.